Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to increase volume in Filmora, boost audio gain, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device and then import the media or clips that you want to use. So if you want to add your own audio in there or your own videos, so you'll just have to click onto import media in here or simply drag and drop the videos or photos that you want to use. Right after that, to add them here onto the timeline, click onto the plus icon or do the same thing by dragging and dropping it in here. And since I don't have a personal sound in here, we're going to use the audios that are offered here on Filmora. Simply click onto audio. Right after under universal music, we have here different things. So I'll try to add this here. Let's drag and drop it here onto the audio part. And right after I've chosen and added a music, this is how it should look like. So let's try to do a preview or play this music here. And if that is not enough for you, you'll just have to click onto the audio here, and there you should be able to see here onto the right side the audio settings. So we have here the different adjustments that you could do, but for us to be able to go ahead and increase the volume for this one, you'll just have to go ahead and slide the volume here. So you could go ahead and see the changes here onto its sound waves. And if you play it again, this is how it sounds now. So you will notice that it is louder this time. You could go ahead and slide this back to lower the volume as well. And that is how easy you could increase volume in Filmora. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.